It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with one more the best question series, right? So today I will be focusing more on diagrammatic approach, right? If you can draw the diagram, you can solve the question very easily, right? So let's focus on the approach and diagrams, and we will solve the questions very easily. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials, right? And when you use my code NLN10, you will be getting 10% discount, and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I'm ranked 14 in overall category of GATE and ESE, and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? You will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and your educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation, so that you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, right? You will be getting personalized test analysis, guidance from your mentor. And this is what students need right now, right? Content, it is available on all the platforms, but guidance, yes, you will be getting here only, right? So each and every test will be analyzed, and your mistakes are identified. And if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted, right? So 90% of the students complain with this, sir, we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things to the questions. even though after completing the entire syllabus. This error rectification will be done by your mentor, right? Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, you will be getting the subscription at 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will be getting my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, finally to me, and you will be getting 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 53,737, and the price for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Of course, not only 10% discount, you will be getting free extension also, right? So see here, if you buy for 6 months, you will be getting 1 month for free. If it is 9/2, if it is 12/3, if it is 18/4, and if it is 24/6 months. And coming to iconic, whatever the features I have explained you in the previous slides, you will get all those things, and you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? So I know how rigorously this notes is prepared, right? So on this prices, these are the prices. On this prices, you will be getting 10% discount when you use my code NLN10. And yes, you will be getting free extension also. The same applicable for iconic also better, right? See here. And yes, right, if you are expecting more discount, right, and apart from this, right, we have enhanced our light subscription here. So we have introduced printed notes, right? Many free learners are asking us, right, sir, we want printed notes, right? So in Unacademy Lite, so just like a postal program, right, you will be getting printed notes and you will be getting test series, right? So those who are serious can subscribe to this Unacademy Lite distance learning program, right? And the price is 12,609. So after discount, you will be getting, so see here, you on this you will be getting 10% discount when you use my code NLN10, right? So do try to use this. And yes, if you are expecting more discount, do try to write Unacademy scholarship test for GATE and ESE, and it will be a 60-minute test for 20 questions, right? Based upon the score, you can get at least 25 to 90% discount on the subscription. Unlock this Unacademy scholarship test, which happens on August 21st, sharp 11 AM, right? Unlock this test using with my referral code NLN10. Yes, so do try to grab completely free subscription, right? And we will start the question series here. 1 second. Yes, I will solve this question. From next question, I will be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question to solve. Okay. First, so this is a question which was asked in your previous CAT examination. On the same pattern, we have prepared this question there. Observe the question carefully. Two chords AB and CD intersect each other at P. The lengths of AP, PB and CP are 4, 15 and 10 respectively. If the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle to CD is 6 centimeter, what is the radius of the circle is the question asked. So first of all, I will be taking a circle there. Now there is a circle, it seems. Now the point here is AB and CD are two chords. We're taking down like this, and they intersect at a point called P. And this is your point P. So AP length is so small, so I'll take down this as AP, and this is PB. Now I will be taking down this CP. C is this one. Take down D here. Okay. Now the point given here is AP value is given as 4, PB value is given as 15, and the CP value is given as 10. Okay, 10 it seems. Now, if the length of the perpendicular from the center of the circle, it seems, let us suppose take this is the center of the circle O, and you have dropped a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord CD. Now see here, when you drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, it divides the chord into two equal halves. Yes, but you don't know this value called DP. How to find out this? we have a property in circles. Now I can consider AB and CD are secants as they are meeting at two parts on the circumference of the circle and they are meeting internally. So by this property out, what I can do is secant property is AB into PB is nothing but equal to DP into CP. Already you know AP value 4, PB value as 15, which is nothing but equal to 60. Now DP value you have to find out what is CP value. CP value is given as 10. So automatically LHS should be equal to RHS. So my DP value has to be 6. Now finally, can I write down this? So what is my CD value? CD value is nothing but equal to 16. So see here, I have dropped a perpendicular ABCD. I'll take down this point as E. Now what will be CE value beta? CE value is nothing but equal to 8. And everybody know now what will be this value? Pura CP value is 10 na? This will be 2. So now what is the question asked? You are asked to find out radius of the circle. Is this nothing but called radius of the circle? Yes, this is called radius of the circle. So by Pythagoras theorem, this value is given as 6 in the question itself. And this is how much? 6 plus 2, 8. Now how much will be this OD value? OD value will be equal to 10. And this is nothing but called radius of the given circle. So with a simple property of secants, I have solved this question very, very easily. I hope so you are understanding my logic there. So do try to learn the properties and apply the things perfectly. Your geometry and mensuration questions you can solve fatafat here very, very easily. Chalo, for the next question, let's see, right, how many can solve this. I will be giving you 2 minutes to solve this question there. The answer? That's an easy question here. You will be getting a similar type of question also here. Anybody got the value of X there? There are my regular students there. Bhavesh, Aman Mehta, Pralay Mehta, Shita Gupta, Srinivas. Easy question beta, right? $48. Hi Srinivas. That's an easy question, na? 48 is the answer. Only thing is you should know the formula. The increase in volume of a right cylinder when the radius is increased by x centimeter, x is not equal to 0, is same as increase in volume when the height is increased by x centimeter, it seems. Chalo, first of all, what is volume of the cylinder? Write down the formula, then we will decide about regarding this. Volume of the cylinder is nothing but equal to pi r square h. So condition is if you increase the radius by x centimeter, so this radius, anything other apart from that given there, if the radius and height of the cylinder are 12 and 2 centimeters respectively, find the value of the x is asked. So r value is 12 beta. Now you have increased this value by x whole square into h. H value is nothing but equal to 2. Now see here the same thing. The volume is same it seems. If you increase the height by 2 also it seems. Pi into your radius value is how much? 12 square. Now your height is increased by 2 it seems. So previously it was 2. Now you have increased by x it seems. This is the thing there. LHS, right? Prove it, right? So pi gets cancelled beta. I can do like this. So this is nothing but equal to 12. 12s are 144 plus x square plus 24x. 12 into 2 into x into, so see here what I will do is 2 and 6 will be cancelled out, 72 will be left over. 72 into, so here 72 will be left over. 72 into 2 will be equal to 144. 144 plus 72x. This is the thing left over, right? 144 gets cancelled. X square is nothing but equal to 72 minus 24 will be how much? Is it 48? 48, 58, 68, yes. 48x. Now what will be your x value? X value is nothing but equal to 48. The question looks clumsy, but you can be solving this question very easily. Done. This was also a previous CAT question. We have rehashed it, right? I mean, restructured it. Yes, and again, one more interesting question say regarding mensuration. Let us see how many can solve this. So if I draw the diagram, automatically you can solve this question very easily. So I will not draw the diagram there. Five seconds more. A kite started rotating in a circle of diameter 12 meter at a height of 8 meter from the ground. When all the thread that is available used, it seems. What is the number of turns that the thread is wound on the reel? What is the number of turns that the thread is wound on the reel if the radius of the turn on the reel is 5 by 66? Hi Anuj, 66 centimeter. Assume that each winding is circular in nature is the question asked. So you have a reel, it seems like this. Just draw this. Now you have rolled it, right? Any answer for this? Sridimas? No answer. Ab dekho, this is a kite started rotating in a circle of diameter 12 centimeters. So here it is rotating like this. From a height of 8 meters from the ground, it seems. Likewise this. So this is 8, it seems. Okay, fine. Now you closely observe there, your thread will be not like a straight line. It will be like a helix. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. Your thread will be rotating like a helix. Will you accept with me? This is nothing but called radius. See here, your thread will be rotating like this. Yes or no? Yes. Either gave me the answer there. Very good. Excellent, beta. So diameter is 12. So radius will be 6. Now you closely observe there. Length of the thread will not be dependent on height of the cone beta, right? It will be dependent upon the slant height of the cone L. Now you have to find out this L value. L value is nothing but equal to, yes, Saurav, it is 2100. So L value can be calculated by Pythagoras theorem, 8 square plus 6 square. So automatically the answer will be 10. This is 10 meters. अब देखो how much thread do you have? 10 meters of thread do you have. Now this entire thread is wounded around this reel, it seems. So see here, one turn value is nothing but equal to 5 by 66 centimeter, it seems here. Okay, now let's find out one turn value. This is radius, radius. One turn value, I have to find out the length there. Length of each turn is nothing but equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle only na 2 pi r. 2 into pi into radius of one turn is nothing but equal to 5 by 66. So I can take down my pi value as 22 by 7. I can take down my value as 22 by 7. So what will be the value there? 11 2s are 11 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. It is 10 by 21 centimeters. So finally, what can I write down? One turn thread length is 10 by 21 centimeter beta. You have how much length with you? You have 10 into 100,000 centimeter length with you. So what will be the number of turns? The number of turns will be 2100 turns. This is your answer there. Perfectly done. Option number A. So those who can visualize this can find out the answer patafat and very easily. Yeah. So we have a similar type of question. Let's see, right? This is an ice cream base, right? You have to serve this ice cream to children and you are asked to find out the volume, diameter of the ice cream cone. Let's see how many can find out this. Yes, either triplets, Pythagorean triplets. Any answer? A cylindrical container. The point here is cylindrical container whose diameter is 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter is filled with ice cream. It seems completely filled with ice cream. The whole ice cream is distributed to 10 children in equal cones having hemispherical tops, it seems. So this is the ice cream cone. So an equal a cone with hemispherical top, it seems. Okay, chalo. This is the point given there. And now anybody got the answer there? First of all, let's find out the available ice cream there. How to find out this? I will be finding out the volume there. Pi r square h. Okay, I'll keep the pi value because I can cancel down this pi value easily. Pi into my radius is, ab dekho, diameter is 12, radius will be 6 square, height will be 15. So what will be the value there here? 36 into 15 will be how much? Is it 540? So volume is 540 pi. Now dekho beta, this 540 pi volume of ice cream is divided to 10 children equally. So each children, one child got how much of ice cream there? Is it 54 pi? Yes, it is 54 pi. Done. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. Now what is this? This 54 pi volume of ice cream is filled in this cone with hemispherical top, it seems. If the height of the conical portion, this is the height of the conical portion, is twice the diameter. Now see, this is h. I will be taking down this as radius there. It is twice the diameter of its base, it seems. H is equal to 2d and H is equal to 4r. Am I right or wrong? Find the diameter of the ice cream cone is the question asked. So what is the volume of this ice cream cone? First of all, it is an hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus what is volume of the cone? Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is nothing but equal to 54 pi. Now closely observe there, in the place of h, can I substitute 4r? Yes, I can substitute 4r. So finally, what will be my value there? 2 by 3, I'll be taking down 2 by 3 pi r cube as common beta. Everything can be taken. 1 will be left over. Here how much? 2 will be left over, which is nothing but equal to 54 pi. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. This 3 gets cancelled. Pi gets cancelled. 2 1s are. This is how much beta? 227s are. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. Now what is your r cube value? R cube value is nothing but equal to 27 and your r value is nothing but equal to 3. Don't jump into conclusions. You are asked to find out diameter of the ice cream cone. Diameter of the ice cream cone is 2r. 2r value is equal to 6 and my option number A satisfies there. So how many of you got this answer there? Perfectly done now. So in this ice cream cone only, this 54 pi ice cream should be filled there. Done? Done. And again, one of my favorite question, we have done a similar type of question in our previous class beta. We have done a very good question, shaded area wala question with the same technique there, same format of the question. Let's see how it works out. Forty-four, 43, 42. The answer for this. If you can draw the diagram, you can answer this question fatafat and very easily. Please do try to hit the like button for the class here, please, so that I can reach to more number of audience. So I'll be getting some the best questions also. In the next phase, I'll start permutations and combinations, arithmetic, the best questions also. Any answer for this, Anuj? Either Saurav, Biswas? 5, 6, 5. ये क्या हो गया? No. Chalo, I'll solve this question there. Now, two circle with radii. Two circle with radii 12 centimeter and 4√3 centimeter. So automatically these two circles will be of unequal size. Okay. They take down like this. Intersect each other. Okay, intersect each other. It seems better. Such that the radius of one circle is tangent to the other at the point of intersection, it seems. So chalo, I will be taking down like this. Now this will be the, let us suppose that this is the center of the circle for this circle. Now see here, this will be called radius and this radius is nothing but called tangent to the other circle. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Perfectly. Let's draw this perfectly. Now closely observe that this is radius of this circle. This is radius of this circle, which will be tangent to the larger circle. This is the center of the circle there. Okay, find the length of the common tangent. You are asked to find out this length value beta. Am I right or wrong? You are asked to find out this length value. Array. Done. Okay, fine. Now you closely observe there. I'll draw a line segment like this. Let's see. Now you closely observe there. This is radius now. This is tangent to the larger circle. So tangent and radius will make 90 degrees by tangent perpendicularity theorem. So this angle will be 90 degrees. And the same is applicable here also. And you closely observe there one more point. This radius is 12 and this radius is 4 root 3. If you closely observe there, these are perpendicular sides and this will be the hypotenuse side. And see here, this is the smaller side beta. This is smaller side. Next best side is nothing but equal to 12. And automatically this must be your hypotenuse side. Now see here, this is exactly in the format of 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. If you closely observe there, how you are saying this there. So the sides will be in the ratio of 1:√3:2. Now one part value is 4 root 3. Root 3 will be 4 root 3 into 2. 4 root 3 into root 3, 12. So this will be how much ma? 8 root 3. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So this value will be 8 root 3. Chalo, by this what can I decide now? This angle will be how much opposite to 4 root 3? 30 degrees. And this will be how much? 60 degrees. Okay, fine. Similarly, this will be also 30 degrees. This will also be 60 degrees. Now, observe this triangle called AOB. Observe this triangle AOB. Now, what will be the things there? If you closely observe there, this is 12 beta. Now, see, not AOB. What I will do is, I'll write down ABC. This triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, side AB is 12, side AC is 12 because both are radius. This is an isosceles triangle. Yes, Shubham Patwari, it is 12. And see here, this will be an isosceles triangle. Now, this angle will be 60 degrees. Angle opposite to, because this is 60 degrees automatically given there. So that's why I'm deciding this. Now, this is also 60 degrees. Perfectly done. Now, this is 12. Now, BC value will be how much? BC value will be equal to 12. And you are asked to find out the length of the common chord, and this common chord value is nothing but equal to 12. Done. This is my answer there. With simple properties, we have solved this question fatafat and easily, right? I hope so. You are getting my point there. Done. Let's go for the next one here. This is an easy question. So I took this question from the prep, right? Let's see how many can solve this. We have solved similar type of questions, some n number of questions better, right? Shubham, answer this. So those who are strong in the basics beta, right, you can answer this question within 30 seconds. One minute more. 300. Tushar, it is not 300 beta, right? एक बार आप calculation check करो. You might miss out some point there. आराम से. Glass spheres which submerge fully in the water of radius 7 millimeter are dropped in a cylindrical vessel. Now, I'll draw a prototype beta. Suppose I'll take down this as cylindrical vessel. Now your glass spheres are dropped, completely submerged, it seems. Even floating, right? Completely submerged. I don't know the number, you have to find out this. The diameter of the vessel is 14 centimeter. Diameter of the vessel 14 centimeters means radius will be 7 centimeter. Any other point? Find how many spheres have been dropped in it if the water level rises by 3.5. So after dropping, the height of the vessel is 3.5. So let's see, first of all, volume of the cylindrical vessel. I will take down this value there, pi r square h. What is the total volume of the cylinder beta? So this I will be taking down as pi into radius is 7, 7 into 7, height is 3.5 centimeter beta. Now see here, this is the total volume available. So in this total volume, this is your total volume divided by number of, volume of each sphere will give you the number of glass spheres. So volume of a sphere is nothing but equal to, I'll write down in reading, 4 by 3 into pi r cube, right? What is your radius there? 7 millimeter. I will be converting down into centimeter. 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. I hope so you are getting my point there. Okay, so pi gets cancelled. 7 squares to 7 will get cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 0.5. Automatically this 3000 will go upside, which will become 500 into 3 by 4. Am I right or wrong? So E is the 500 into 3 by 4. Now what will be the value there here? Is it 375? Yes, it is 375. Your option number 1 beta. Total 375 glass spheres can be accommodated in this cylinder. This is the answer. Yes, Pralay. Hi, after so long time beta. Lalit gave me the answer. Srinivas gave me the answer. Very good. Excellent. That's an easy question. Now, I'm expecting you guys to answer this question here. Little bit trickish one. If you draw the diagram, automatically you can solve this. Those who can draw the diagram can easily solve this question. Let's see how many can answer this. So can you? I hope so you can read the question now. Two circles with center A and B and radius 2 units touch each other externally at C. A third circle with center C and radius 2 units meet others two at D and E. Then the area of the quadrilateral ABDE is nothing but equal to. Seventeen, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Yes, very good. B is the option there. Excellent beta. Chalo, I'll draw the diagram, then most of you can understand this easily. So there are two circles, it seems, with center A and B. Okay, the point here is they touch each other at C, it seems. Now, this is the point called C, and this is your point called A, and this is your point called B. Okay, the point here is any other point given there. A third circle with C center and radius 2 units meet the other two at D and E, it seems. So I have to draw one more circle here. Let me take out this. Now see here, this is the third circle which you have to draw with center C, it seems. So closely observe better what I am doing there. Okay, see here. Now why sir you have touched this A and B up? Dekho, see here, from C radius is 2 means it has to meet at A only, right? That's why I have touched this A and B points also. Now the point given here is, now see here, this circle, third circle is touching the A circle at D and E point, it seems better. Now you are asked to find area of the quadrilateral ABDE. Now see here, I will be taking down like this. Now see here, this will be the line segment value, and this will be the line segment value, and this will be the line segment value, and this will be the line segment value. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done now. Now see here, this is completely AB value is nothing but equal to 4. Now if you closely observe there, what is the shape of this quadrilateral? Trapezium. Am I right or wrong? So see here, I will be taking down this as height of the trapezium. I will be taking down this as height of the trapezium. By this, what can I say, beta? Now this value will be equal to 4. This value will be equal to 2. Why you are saying 2? Ab dekho, this value, hypotenuse value is 2 na. Now this value will be how much? This will be 1 and this will be root 3. Am I right or wrong? And this will be 2. This is a rectangle form. This will be 2 and this will be 1. So everybody know area of the trapezium is nothing but equal to half of non-equal sides AB plus DE into height of the trapezium is nothing but the area of the quadrilateral. Half into AB value is 4, this is 2, and height value is root 3. So automatically your answer will be 3 root 3. Any of you got this value there, and your B option satisfies. In this entire scenario, right, if you can draw the diagram enough, you can solve the question fatafat and easily. Done. Very good. Yes. This is one of my favorite question here. Let's see how many can solve this. A little bit of sequence and series pattern and then geometry. Let's see how many can solve this. Answer in fraction only, right? There is no need to answer in point values. You can answer me in fraction. Any answer for this? 50 seconds more. So please do try to hit the like button here, those who are in the class. (187/3). Okay. Yes, it is true. Better right, dekho, right? I took hypotenuse as 2 and the remaining 2 has to be Pythagorean triplets. One is 90 degrees. So what is the chance there? Is it 1 is to root 3 is to 2 only? Based upon the hypotenuse value, I took it there. And again, hope so clear. A small stone is tied to a string of length 7 meters. Now see here, this string length is 7 meters, it seems, which is attached to the top of the ceiling. This is the top of the ceiling. Okay. Initially, the string makes an angle, so it is pulled and made at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical as shown. Every time the stone crosses the center, I'll take down this point C as center. Now see here, from A to C, it travels a distance. Now it passes through the center. Now the distance it travels on the other side, this side, reduces by 1/9, it seems. First of all, what is the distance traveled from A to C? I will find out this. What is the distance traveled from A to C? Now see here, if there is no ceiling there, if you rotate it, it will be a circle there. So automatically from A to C, so it is a sector area. Am I right or wrong? I have to find out this circumference length there, A to C. Am I right or wrong? So it is 30 degrees divided by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Already pi value is asked to take as 22/7. So 1/12 into 2 into 22/7 into radius. Radius is nothing but equal to 7 beta, right? This is the radius now that I have to take. 7 gets cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 6s are. So finally 2 3s are, 2 11s are. So 11/3 meters is the distance traveled from A to C. So what happens from C to B? So the distance traveled from C to B will be, now see, observe there, right? Reduced by 1/9, it seems. So it is 11/3. So automatically now the present distance will be 8/9. Reduced by 1/9 means remaining thing is 8/9 into 11/3 only now. Perfectly done. Now see here, what is the question asked? The total distance stone travels from before coming to rest is the question asked. Coming to rest, matlab again from B to C also it will be traveling now. Same distance. If it is X here, it will be X here. So I have to multiply it with 2. Yes. Now come back to C to A. So I'll write down the C to B, B to C. Now see here, C to A. What will be the distance traveled there? Now distance the travel this side will be 8 by reduced by 1/9, 8/9 into 8/9 into 11/3. Again it will be traveling from A to C now. Am I right or wrong? So into 2 times. So so calculate up to the rest point there. So I'll be taking down like this. 11/3 from A to C. I'll add all those values there. 2 into 8/9, 2 into 11/3 into 8/9. Next one plus 2 into 11/3 into 8/9 whole square. Next one will be 2 into 11/3 8/9 whole cube. Am I right or wrong? So on up to the rest there. And I can take down like this 11/3 plus I can take down 2 into 11/3 as common. Now what will be the bracket value there? It will be 8/9 plus 8/9 whole square, 8/9 whole cube, so on. The bracket is exactly in the format of infinite geometric progression. Will you accept with me? So how to calculate this? Sum of infinite geometric progression when r value is less than 1. It is only this formula will work out. A value is 8/9. R value is also 8/9. 1 minus 8/9 will be 1/9. So finally your value will be 8 there. So I'll be writing down this answer there. So 11/3 plus 2 into 11 into 8. So 2 is 16 into 11. Am I right or wrong? 16 into 11 is 176 divided by 3. So finally what will be the answer there, beta? It is 187/3. So this is the total distance traveled by the stone before coming to rest. So how many of you got this question there? Sure, Ankit. Done. Hope so I am clear. Yes, what Srinivas said also is right regarding this quadrilateral, right? You can connect C and D and E, you will form an equilateral triangle there. Perfectly right. Done. So see here, this is what he is saying there, right? So connect C and D. This is also radius, right? I hope so. Now you got the point there. Yes or no? This will be the two. Now, yes. So again, one more the best question. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Ankit, depending upon your weakest areas, right? Which topic do you feel as weakest one? Start that one. Will be helpful. You are asked to find out area of the triangle AEB. One of the finest question here. Srinivas, what's your answer there for this? Hi Aniket. Bolo Aniket. A semicircle is drawn. This is also a question which is formed by rehashing the previous questions only. Thirty-five, 34, 33, 32. Srinivas, any answer for this? No. 80. No, yeah. How can it be 80? So the thing is, a semicircle is drawn inside a rectangle, it seems. So first I will take a rectangle out. So this is a rectangle. AB is the diameter, it seems. So with AB is the diameter, ABCD. So I'll be taking down like this. Now this will be the, and AB is the diameter of the 320 is the answer. Very good. And CD is the tangent, it seems. CD is the tangent means, so your semicircle has to be drawn like this beta, which has to touch CD damn surely, and this is the semicircle drawn. थोड़ा सा आराम से देखो, right? Yes. Yes. Now CD is the tangent, AB is the diameter. Now O will be center of the circle, and this will be the radius of the semicircle. Any other point? A line passes through AC intersecting at E, it seems. A line passing through AC intersecting at E. Now this is AC, and this point is nothing but called E. Okay. If the radius of the circle is 20 centimeter, so AB side length will be 40 centimeter. Everybody know about this. And you closely observe there, if I take down a line segment from here to here, is this nothing but called radius? Am I right or wrong? Is this nothing but called radius? Yes, this is radius. Now, is this nothing but called wo? What is this length there? 20. If this is length 20, your BC length will also be 20. Yes. No, Lalit, it is not 200 root 3. Let's see. I'll explain you. Find the area of the triangle AEB is the question asked. Chalo beta, right? What I will do is, I will be dropping down one more line segment from B to E. With, so closely observe there, with respect to the diameter, I have drawn two chords. AE is one chord, EB is one chord, and these two chords will make 90 degrees because they are meeting on the circumference of the circle there, and this is 90 degrees. By this, what can I say? Now closely observe that triangle ABC and triangle AEB are similar. Am I right or wrong? They are similar triangles. So let's find out area of the triangle ABC. Everybody can find out this very easily. Area of triangle ABC value kitna tha? Half into perpendicular sides, half into 40 into 20. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. AB, PC. So what will be the value there? Is it 400? Yes, it is 400. And we know when two triangles are similar, areas of the triangles will be in the ratio of squares of their sides. Am I right or wrong? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle AEB will be in the proportion of their squares of their sides. Okay, now which square? Now see, for ABC I will be taking on this hypotenuse value beta. Am I right or wrong? What shall I take? Right, area is 400. What value should I take there? So see here, AB square here. This is the hypotenuse value. Now here, what is the hypotenuse value there? Sorry. AC square is the hypotenuse value there. AC square. Now here AB square is the hypotenuse value there. Okay, now what is AB? Okay, what is AC value beta? By Pythagoras theorem, 440 into 40 is 1600 plus 400 2000. So this value is nothing but equal to, AC value is nothing but equal to root of 2000. I'll keep this value like this. Okay, now area of triangle ABC, just now you have calculated 400. This is what you have to find out here. AC value is nothing but equal to 2000 divided by AB value is nothing but equal to 40 into 40. Am I right or wrong? So 3 zeros here, 2 zeros here, 1 0 will get cancelled, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So triangle area of AEB is nothing but equal to how much beta? 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 60, 160 into 2 is it nothing but called 320. So area of the triangle AEB. Area of the triangle AEB is nothing but equal to 320, and this is what the question asked. And done, I have done it right, perfectly done. How is the question there? So only right, if you are strong with basic properties and if you can apply it effectively, geometry and mensuration will be the easiest scoring topic in quant for you. Okay, so we'll continue in the next questions in the next class. So how are the questions here? So I hope so I got some the best quality questions for you. Yes, so let's continue in the next class. As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my referral code NLN10. The price per plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to iconic, yes, these are the prices. On these prices, you will be getting 10% flat discount when you use my code NLN10. Of course, not only this 10% flat discount and my guidance, you will be getting free extensions also, right? So these are the extensions for 6, 9, 12, 18 and 24 applicable for both plus and iconic subscriptions, right? Do try to subscribe, and the offer ends on August 19 sharp. And yes, right, so we have made our Unacademy Lite subscription so strong. It includes right now test series and printed notes, right? The free learners can also subscribe. So you will be getting 10% discount used by my referral code NLN10. Yes. And yes, right, if you are expecting more discount, right, at least 25 to 90% discount can be obtained when you write this Unacademy scholarship test on August 21, 11 a.m. sharp. Enroll, it is for free, and you can unlock the test using with my referral code NLN10. And yes, do try to interact with me on the community features. I am forwarding my notes, my updates regarding every class, right? So you can ask each and every doubt. I will be available 24/7 on this community app. And yes, do try to join my special classes here, so that see my special classes has very huge crowd. So my campus placement strategy sessions, my career opportunity sessions have very huge crowd, right? And the interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube. I do try to join this special classes, and please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDFs from the Telegram group, and hit the bell icon to get the updates, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet sharp day after tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. right? Bye.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.